Welcome to Full Course Online. If you work in an office, this video is going to change how you work. I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT to write emails, fix Excel formulas, take meeting notes, and even create reports and presentations, all with simple prompts. Let's get started. Tired of writing the same kinds of emails every day? Let ChatGPT do it for you. Open ChatGPT and write this prompt. Write a polite email to my team informing them that Friday's meeting is postponed to next Monday at 10 a.m. Keep it concise. Now it is too simple, let me enhance it by adding extra information. Write some detail, and tell that the reason for postponed is foreign tour. Now this response suits me. Let us copy the output into email compose section. Now you have received a customer complains about late delivery. You want to make a reply to that customer. ChatGPT can help you in this. Copy the email body and paste it into ChatGPT prompt area and add these lines. Always enclose the reference data in inverted commas. Reply to a customer complaint email about late delivery. Be professional and apologetic. Now let us make it more formal. Add this to prompt. Now let's talk Excel. Formulas can be confusing, but not with ChatGPT on your side. Let us calculate sales, based on some conditions. You can see this table. Column C has customer names, while column D is showing which product they have ordered. Each have the total purchase of the customer, which is unit price multiply the quantity of the product. The status column shows what orders are completed or cancelled. We want ChatGPT to give us the formula to add all the sales which are completed. Let's type this prompt. In Excel, how can I calculate the total sales from column H, but only for rows where column G is completed? As you can see, the ChatGPT has given me a formula. Let us apply this to our data. Select and copy it. Now, open the Excel sheet and click where the result is wanted. Paste the formula here and press enter. And the total sales at 20150. Now let us see we have a formula and we don't know how to use it, or we want to understand the formula. Let us copy the formula and paste it into ChatGPT prompt area. Explain this formula to me in simple terms. For me, the explanation is not enough, so I am asking again. Give me some more details. And now there is full explanation. You can enhance the prompt further. Now we have some points from the meeting and we want to convert these points into useful meeting minutes. Paste the notes taken. And type, convert these point into formal meeting minutes. As you can see, the point are converted into formal meeting minutes. Now let me give some data on the basis of which it will generate weekly performance report. Let me paste the data. As you can see, it has created a report mentioning sales performance, staffing updates, customer feedback and complaints, CRM tool pilot, and summary and next steps. Now let us create a PowerPoint presentation step by step. First, let us create an outline for PowerPoint presentation titled Team Productivity in Remote Work. It has created 8 slides presentation with bullet points. Now let us convert this into presenter notes. For that type, turn this presentation outline into presenter notes. As you can see, it has created so beautiful outline for each slide and has made the presenter work easier. Now let us download the slide into PowerPoint format so that we can work on its design. Type, convert this slide into PowerPoint presentation for download. And when ready, click it to download. Open the downloaded file. And, As you can see, the presentation is opened in PowerPoint. Now we can apply design and format it. Both the presenter notes and presentation is ready. Thanks for watching full course online. As you just saw, ChatGPT can save you hours every week, whether you're writing emails, creating reports, handling Excel formulas, or preparing presentations. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more practical AI tutorials just like this. Let ChatGPT work for you and make your office life easier.